media shanga abanyakigezi FM shanga utayar FM even zamu kutugwita wa X basa kubanutira comment who wins this game, who progresses to the next round of quarterfinals. Tero comment yawo isinjiro andi wapara rupira turi HS Imbere Playground. Zero isinjiro, zero Rampara. Of course nalempira kuri handi yasikone tandika district ya Mbara, of course bine Mbara City. Na gugo wasikone gutandika kandi kukiri 0-0. Kuri hari insika Uweju versus Mitoma kukiri 0-0. And remember Nana Hanuya kukiri 0-0. Yesterday turebere ho shema nbasettinga record Asia ebire district yo kubanza bya Fabian Kore Cup kushangana bashambe mizano yona ena ya group stages batatebere goro neme kandi basubana basaba ebire kwanka bata habatirwa mpira gumwe badrege mizanesha tukandi tubasingire n'umwe but finally basubana basaba ebire kwanka basubana bataha turebere district yo kubanza bakushore chikopechi echankore Cup omwaka ogu hatebere bagoma kandi na district ya Bushenyi 0-0 hari Kabohe playground pira gwasiko kuba bagamba yesterday wasikon kugira game balance twarebaho 0-0 but 0-0 ber mu meaning team zombi zoreka mani but as we speak right now district zibiri zonje kandi zoreka nguzina mani as of now omudakika nche muchoka kitukande cyo kubanza 0 Rampa 0 isinjira It's going to be a free kick for Isinjiro. Free kick for Isinjiro. Free kick ya Isinjiro Phillips bamushambira kubi. Remember the last game Mbara City bakusingwa Isinjiro goal shato hari yemwe. Phillips niwe bari captain w'izoba but today Dixon anga Isinjiro defending champion bomwako gwa Hwire. Welcome to the free kick Joseph Akandwanaho. Of course, yes, when I made it on Musigas Phillips. And with the Phillips Neymar shot for just get me my phone. It's now Rampara. Shot 5. Sezo Kataka Junior. Passing on Pira Joseph Akandwana Matimare Meraho, Pora. It is a throw in for Rampara. Time Kompira Muringo Naronda, Alanega Kubaskunam Tango, Kandaskunum Muyaho. It is now Isinjiro in the control. Good. Okay, take our passing from Poraba district Jimpaya Rampara Bagarkamba Kwata Mjasena Moto Fatonjire Agre Joseph Akanwanao Hasana Zakshkopira Hanuya Abadis Rampara Joseph Akanwano Dixon Wamanya Changiri Captain Unateka Ho Bagarkana Kwata Jasen number 16 Mwete Arnold Terapasun Jumnonga Jasen number 19 Abadis Jimpaya Sinjro Mwete Joel Garkana Terapasun Jumnonga Joel Haria line Jasen number 14 Mwete Santo Nomusana team ya URA junior team Isambalo Jasen before Mwete Omukururu Kumanyanka Shikangu aba district Jimpa ya Rampara Bamisingaho three experienced players aba first team Omukuru Kumanyanka Ogwang Joel then Omukuru Kumanka Barack Abraham Omsano Akaruka Runji even ano Misiga Zimamweta Nuwatwa Patrick Omsana team ya Bugema University Pona Bamisinga Omsano Gumpa Abga Chitunga League. Of course their involvements in the Chitunga League Boda Bamisinga Omsano Gumpa Omsano Ogwang Joel then Omsano Abraham Mweto Barack Captain wa team Jimpaya Rampara even Akaruka Runji then Tiro Mukuru Kumaka Patrick Abaka Basket person Mnonge Gaku Alan Gelad Mbamuteka Majang free kick. Majangu free kick Gaku Alan Gelad. Of course wa Musano Mukubi. Kwangune aichengaje na tumwesje Enoch
last season bona babibadia timu ya Kigali Homeboys tumwesje Enoch and Egaku Alan Gellard bona nabazani timu ya Kigali Homeboys but very soon Hamzan Enoch tumwesje naza kubona crossing na igita timu ya NEC FC no mubakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League batole kaka sigazi mweteho Egaku Alan Gellard habimbire kurungi free kick even na Opara Edwin Mukisa Egaku Alan Gellard top seed and of course it goes wide. Basigo mupira chase namba mwete Kemith Rufomio Ebank chase number 8 of course referee trying to show his abilities Batoriko Mukurukmaka chase number 12 mwete Agre Kigali Homeboys football player Asa kutureta free kick atonjira Gray drops it finds Egaku Alan Gellard bateka umutaba district Empire Zinjiro now Enoch tumwesije na crossing mupira na shara niyo midfield tera pass ni jumnong libisana baronda Joseph akarwa naho ampano kushanga goalkeeper Oded Rata amukuru kumanyaka Abdu Shaku Juko haba district Empire Rwampara if no busana team ya Rwampara Blues ampakeza Western Region League Abdu Shaku Juko asa kureba Sigas ba Davis bona baria timu ya Rwampara ba goalkeepers timu ya Rwampara Bulls Egaku Alan Gellard na kwata mpora jaze number 5 na izan bachirangu bamusana na mukubi bachangu bamusana na mukubi Egaku Alan Gellard bachangu jaze number 13 ya sana mukubi meto musiga Sabit Vian akarikamba kwata Egaku Alan Gellard na shara mutanuya bisamba kwata Edwin Opala Mukisa drops one and finds Oded Kurokmanka Oded meto Oded of course naizana kwata kurungi aba district Jimpaha ya Isinjiro bakarikamba kwata mukache Joseph akanwa naho bakwata mpora bakarikamba kwata aba district ya Rwampara harokusindikana nuya pasi ni jumronga now Kemis Rothomi Bank na Joseph akanwa naho tira pasi ni jumronga hanuya batonda tonjire Agre rather amukuru kumanyanka Santo no musana team ya URA junior team Santo zarwa ya Nyihanga tira pasi ni jumronga Dickson wamanya changa bisamba kamba kwata counter attack mukuru kumanyanka Santo of course pia na isana atekayo mbatijangu dogo kushika chase number 3 Mweto Arnold ampumuza anaanza kutuleta mu throw in of course alina kasika zama Mweta Enoch tumwesje now pata mpora chase number 2 Bagarikana bakwata mpora chase number 6 Abaz district edge Mwete Alfred na izana zika na chase number 5 batera pass no jumronga now tera pass no jiye chibaro ya nizana kusahe batureka kasika chase number 16 aba district ya Rwampara Mwete Arnold tumuhirwe tera pass no jano ya district edge Empire Isinjiro bagarikana babona atonjire Agre tera pass no jumronga bagarikana bagobona hano mu central defense Mwete mukuru kumaka Justus Kamara tera pass no jumronga hari ya Ryan Kisa kundo amukuru kumaka Mustafa tera pass no jumronga now Kemith rather Egaku Alan Gellard bizamba kumbabuteka somba jangwa free kick again Egaku Alan Gellard Henjero yaro munazana mu defense ya district Empire Isinjiro Egaku Alan Gellard of course no muzano wa timu ya Kigali Homeboys Mpakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League recently qualified from FIFA Big League to Uganda Star Times of Premier League of course abazana bake Misri Rufomio Banga bemereye kunjumnonga free kick abazana atonjire Agre asira bemereye kunjumnonga free kick two best players aba district Empire Rwampara even they both play for Kigali Homeboys Mpakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League batoleka free harumuna kansoringa kasigazika Enoch tumwesje of course very soon naza kuba unveiled our team Empire NEC FC Ninga NEC Football Club Mpakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League from Kigali Homeboys batoleka tonjire Agre gumurechera our team Empire ya Rwampara of course Rwampara still they have only one loss in all the games they have played in Agre Cup batoleka tonjire Agre Naisana crossing ako tanu yansi bagarikamba guru blocking Joseph akanwana wari line counter attack Joseph akanwana ho kasiga zinaka crossing go mupira bagarikamba kwata matonjire Agre machangu no go kushika atonjire Agre immediate response from Agre atonjire nomzana wa timu ya Kigali Homeboys hivi na nomzana Joseph akanwana ho Tabora United kule Tanzania Ninga Jete Tanzania Revenue Authority Of course babase kubana barigani bajigo teka ho mutwe bakarekana bakwata goalkeeper na patchinga Abdul Shakur Jiko bakwata mpora mpora jazena abo 5 ba district jimpa ya Rwampara mweta Enoch rather mweto omukuru kumanyanka Pride terapasa nuyarani bakwata mpora mpora Enoch tumwesije bakarekana bakwata mweto jazena number 19 mweto omukuru kumanyanka bakarekana bakwata Egaku Aranchera now Kemis Roto Mia Bank crossing mpira Python pia na Isara guvono pia taguvona goalkeeper na kwata Crinjo Date passing mpira mpora mpora jazena number 13 mweto Fian sana shoro mpira nuya jazena number 6 mweto mukuru kumaka Alfred hanuya line Alfred bakarekana kutomera mbajangu free kick Alfred hateza kusana Crinjo mpira mbagorechera tumweche Enoch Hamile kunju mnongo free kick very experienced midfielder passing mpira nuya line Bisambaronda jazena number 4 mweto mukuru kumaka Phillips hanuya line jazena number 6 crossing mpira mbarundo hakuri ya line jazena number 2 mpira ngwiza gumusikamba bajangu nogo kushika Musika zoro kumaka Santos mwete Santo Turiasa Sra Santo URA junior team mwete Santo of course he's their player we might see him next season alikuzana team ya URA senior team mpakeza Uganda Sata Mr Premier League bakerekamba crossing mpira now Kemith Ruofamio Ebang crossing mpira bizamba za kuronda Bright just number 5 because mpira nugumusika nguzahira bajangu nogo kushika bakagaraka kwa mpura now umukoro kumanyanka Opara Edwin Bukisa Egaku Aranchera bajangu ya offside Egaku Aranchera
offside of course omusikazi Alan Egaku Gerald kuriyo murikazo turi mudakika ya mukaga 00 kazo 00 omuri bukiro of course mudakika ya 17 turayibaho kandi Mbara City na Mbara District barembaje ko nibengi kompira kwa gukira 00 side zombie kuriyo muri Sika guri mudakika ya mushanju nawo gukira 00 and of course zogato by'amatwereza live updates kurwa mishaye byona kandi tayari west of course rukusiye byona Rio Judges in the building of course alongside Beckham the sportsman station gatwasanze shoroza kurya mnonga. It is a free kick for Isingiro 0 Rwampara with the points. I took as we speak. Rwampara is on 10 points. And Isingiro on 6 points. So myself members Garum group as it is right about now. Vire crossingwa. Narodo pira do goalkeeper kuri boxer Joseph Akanora basaba kupachinga ho gargayo. Vire kwagira kimuheru kuri yakandi neza kubera throw in aba district ya Isingiro. Sigazi Abdul Shakur goalkeeper wa team ya Rwampara and of course is the goalkeeper ya team ya Rwampara Bulls. Yasekona sevinga kurunji mnongo pira gwiha mutogwa Joseph Akandwa naho. Ukwase kona remesen shonga free kick for Isingiro. Referee najirangu refika Isingiro kandi right in a tight angle and a very beautiful angle. Omutezo Afrika murunja ine left. Sigaza baramuka ba Joseph Akandwa naho sigaza baramuka ba Enoch Tumwesije. Sigaza baramuka Joel Nshongezi batereza kurunji mnonga is going to be a free kick for Isingiro. Joseph Akandwa naho right in it. Joseph Akandwa naho nakuteka kahiyo. Shabu wa Tanzania Revenue Authority. Joseph ata cross ningo boxi. Pira kujya heru. Pira kwagira kimwe heru kandi za kuba eri goal kick aba district ya Rwampara. Rwampara ekindi kibakora because it will be done for them. And this will work for Rwampara if it stays like this. Gawa 0-0 ndo azakana bafite points 10. Nibabara bonka bari omwanya zakwatiri kirarwo muri Mbara State na Mbara District. Mbara State yahangura nese points 10. That means ntitwasigana good draw. Rwampara ne maro mwanya wa kabiri. That is Mbara State yabihangwire ningashi. Isingiro kasiko ne bashengura then tukarinda ikirarwo muri Mbara District na Mbara City kuriya muri bikiro. Remember edition ya gatano ya Ankole Cup. This is Group D. Isingiro, Rwampara, Mbara City and Mbara District. Now Joseph Akandwa naho. They got double press scorer Pira Mbara City. Joseph Akandwa naho. Tabora. Joseph Akandwa cut back. Vamusirika waskona guya ho. Is now Ekwanga. Let's pass kuna pora bagati. So kwa Shangoha. Opara nompira. Opara 1-1 to Opara. Against 2. Opara nompira. Opara crossing kwa hands na rondoha. Yanaronda Alanoga kutupatia wasikona mfunaka neza kwa throw in. In fact yanaronda Tuhame Daus ya mfunaka neza kwa throw in ya district ya Isingiro. sigaza Arnold natari kwa pira line rwagufuna Deus nanjiga pasi agatechi sawa narondoha isina musigaza gataka tonjiro in fact Cuthbert no mpira pasi ningwa alanageko yabakumire alanageko yabakumire za kwa Africa district ya Isingiro sigazi Enoch Thomas je shot 5 aba district ya Isingiro zeko na jet bantu mwe mbe disciplinary kasigazi karanaga karabaho karete buziba hanuya tine kuba defensive discipline ko twarabaho umusigazi alanageko ishakukira kora har kigezi homeboys ninkimanya mwantu magende serese ture cross ningwa narondoha Cuthbert na heading mpira kwiza gwashangoha sigazi Rothomio yakufuna msigazi woteka Deus in fact Bright najiga pasa line Alan Gaku no mpira Alan Gaku against Vian is now Cuthbert no mpira Cuthbert iga pass Arnold pass kura hansi nakufuna sigazi woteka Owen ayo mpira muri kuria naronda Alan Gaku nakufuna Bretelev Alan Gaku is now Alan once again Alan for Rampara nakufuna shot number 3 Arnold nayo mpira muringwa aho district ya Isingiro napumuza Aaron yaje mpira muringwa Cuthbert yasikana tumere gwargayo kwiza gwashangoha musigazo gatanka Vian Sabit na goreka goalkeeper Oded tusingwize Oded yasubira mpira muringwa gwasanga Cuthbert Tereba ho district ya Isingiro zigwa mpira shot number 6 mweteka Alfred najiga pass para Cuthbert yafuna pass kura hansi nakufuna is now Deus back pass nakufuna shot 14 sigazo bakwetanka Santo no mpira kura hansi Joseph yabas kuna gwiba Joseph akandwa naho yaita cross ningwa Dixon bagumutangaho gwashango habs sigazo Arnold nakureza Rothomio no mpira pass pora is now sigazo kutaka Arnold no mpira Arnold akapiga mpira muhango narondoha Sabit yagufuna is now sigazo kutaka Deus najiga pass Bright gwashangoha yasukana gwiba kuruji mnonga Arnold pass agati sigazo Enoch no mpira Enoch timwesije Sabati mejaneke pass kura hansi nakufuna Arnold for Isingiro pass hansi na Joseph yagufuna Joseph akarorompera yagufuna neza kweretero na district ya Rampara bit kandi tureba referee na jirati reka basi kwa ningabaho na shot number 13 wa district age kandi ya Isingiro mwetinka amsukazo weteka Sabit Vian sigazi Sabit Vian naje kwa nagambo na referee nagira ngo enshonga zire kwanza zitambuza kurunje munonga tongera kwanza siba batira makasente kije munonga banyana bita ba Wonders nugamba ki mwana wanje Obed aho hari elete cyo rukwana n'iki cyamana munonga kabese jina karebe cyo rukwana n'iki cyamana munonga nikipenda kusema lazima huyo rafiki enshonga basoronza kurunje munonga kandi kimukora n'iki cyamana munonga bakoreza buhereza banyana banje ba boda muri ya stage zanyu Otiro tayari western www.news.com cyo rukwana n'iki cyamana munonga Orium Saloon Otiro TV banyana bita bakabohe kimukwana n'iki cyamana munonga abarukuri muri Nyihanga that is Rampara district kimukwana cyamana barside za Mwizi kimukwana cyamana bari kutayisa last game kimukwana n'iki cyamana munonga now Cuthbert pass nango kora hansi narondoha naronda Deus tuhame Deus bagirangu ya baro offside neza kuba Africa district ya Isingiro throw in for Isingiro muri bukiro dakika 21 kashari 0 mbara 7-0 amurekazo dakika zo zayerekera kwa sekonda zika dakika zirukingana kandi dakika 12 kandi aho gukira 0-0 mfite cross ningwa Agre na mpira muri ngo washangoha Cuthbert back pass ya sekona hika kandi hakufuna district Isingiro shot number 2 sigazo gataka It's going to be a goal kick ya Rampara and of course goalkeeper is going to mpira kurungi mulaga gutandika Guza gwashanga umusigazi wa Ketanka Deusa line cyase kuna kuna bagwi wa Philips yagiga pass Enoch tumwesije batega pora pora bagwi baho is now Deusa nagiga pass line aronda alanda gako nasise kwa mpira muringwa Vian Sabit no mpira Sabit no mpira Sabit back pass gwashangoha sigazi wa mwesiga pass kuna tapinga mpira mubona kwa kaba 19 mwetiga kabare pass kura hansi naronda kura hansi Arnold tiyagufuna kaneza kuberi throw in ya district ya Rampara. Throw in for Rampara, of course. Sinjiro rwari kari yahigura nenshi. Sinjiro rwari yahigura tere cross ningo box bitwe. Kabari yaskona bwiye kandi wasanga Enoch Tumwesige former Dixon mpira for Sinjiro. Dixon chihanga pass kura higuru norondoha Arafat no mpira Arafat for Sinjiro Arafat 1-2 Arafat mpira muningwa. It goes wide. Shot number 2, Arafat. Semuju Arafat. Pira gwajira chimoheru kaneza kwa goalkeeper Rampara. Goalkeeper wa Rampara Abdul. Naweza kwa na yomba. Najirata pale tukubienda hanu. Uya. Hewe tukubienda. Pira kutandika kurunji mnonga. Abre yasma pira muringo gatumeraho kaneza kwa neza kuberi. Throw in for Rampara. Throw in for Rampara. Batamika mpira muringwa. Naweza kuona batamika mpira wakutandika kurunji mnonga Rothomio pass line narondoha. Is now Alana Gaku. Batamika mpira kwa shango msikazo watanka. Now Arafat adi hansi. Refana jangu kusambia tinechirho. Kathbat for district ya Rampara na mpira muringwa narondoha Deus yagufuna goalkeeper askona bwa yatasira kuringa biza bashoga Enoch Tumwesije nenduka yatera pass ya hansi gwashanga Sabit Vian pass kura hansi Arnold no mpira it is now Isinjiro pass line pira gudia heru throw in for Rampara na tabika pira muringa kandi umusigazi wakutaka Alan Nagaya kujerald Alanda Gako no mpira Alanda Gako pass kula lance pass wasindika Alanda Gako na itaka back tiagufuna pass again asakona kuna mpira refa najira kwa offside. Sigazi Alanda Gako ya offside kanisa kwa free kick ya district ya Isinjiro 0 Isinjiro 0 Rampara elsewhere of course no guchiri 0-0 tino watebere mtahiwe. In fact buhweju umusigazi Gilbert yateba buhweju emwe mitonga 0 Sigazi Gilbert mura chika ya munana sikona ateba buhwejbere mbiro pira gore muharisiro mitoma as it looks they are going home. Sigazi Gilbert yasikona ateba mitoma ibe mbiro gore muharisiro in fact buhwejbere mbiro gore muharisiro original address z'urukurda kuri muri Nsika Alandega kwa hansi. Sigazi Alandega kumshaba timu ya Chigezo Boys district ya Rampara hansi. Shot number 10. Should we think that Rampara buying time or Buhweju bafuna first goal? Shahezi MP way to Francis Mujuche. Shahezi na celebrating and Najirati yes I'm going to quarter final. Dakika zuza basikoni zika 10 kuri muri Buhweju hari Nsika playground. Buhweju ne baragore mwe kandi mitome kiri hari 0. Tujira kwa tusima mwena wakutambura ni program zitu stars mwena mnonga ta West. Echimo kwa nisinsamana mnonga. Of course it is 0 Isinjiro 0 Rampara. Throw in for Isinjiro kwa kula line bahedinga ho gushiro is now Joseph akandwa naho akano Joseph akandwa naho is now Joseph nakanga pora Joseph akandwa naho from Mbara step prayer is crossiningwa Dixon mitwe yakuheniga kandi gukira line nakubona gusanga nigatagushanga yasabana kufuna Arafat no shopia Isinjiro Arafat 1-2 Enoch Tumwesije bahusakona muyaho is now msigaza gataka Agre no pira pass line pira muringwa narondoha chana 19 nakufuna kurunji mnonga heda humba katika sawa turi Philips nakuhereza Enoch Tumwesije through pass Tiagufuna and of course remember shot 12 Mwetega Cuthbert, in fact shot 15 Mwetega Cuthbert last game akabasha mbere na Mbibira district kandi ya Rampara, but today he is a center back Msigazi Mwetega Cuthbert shot 15 wa district ya Rampara He's the captain tonight. It's not Opara. Opara no mpira for Rampara. Opara no mpira. Opara for Rampara. Opara na throw pass ningwa. Na ndani Alandegaku Mama Nyabo. Finally Alandegaku yabara offside. Yabara offside Alandegaku. Akurikira center referee na linesman. Sigazi Alandegaku yabara offside. Wagira ngo umusigazi Alandegaku yabakumbire bitu basikana somero pira muri ngo basikana gurgayo kandi gwazare throw in for Isingiro. Biragumizamu Philip. Isna Arnold crosseningwa. Joseph Kandoro basikana guherigo gwasikana gurgayo Opara. Cuthbert na somero pira muri ngo in fact Arnold yagufuna Vian. Is now umusigazi mwetenka Bright bagumwibaho washaka Enoch tumwesje numpire Enoch nasubona pira buringwa nagufuna shot 11 mwetenka Owen numpire yagarza umusigazi mwetenka Owen tumwesje throw pass ningwa Joseph Kandoro no pass line batega dance nefana jang chambeti nechiro is now Cuthbert numpire back pass para washanga Arnold is now Isingiro pass kura hansi yagufuna Rothmeo numpire Kemisi pass kuri hapa line naronda Owen yagufuna tele goalkeeper sikona argayo kandi Arnold yagira shambe changu in fact goalkeeper yasikona arga line konka Arnold yagira shambe changu kandi ompira gogo wasikona gurgaho turebe kirasikona kurataho ishwangu turukunu yo muri kagati tujye hari Chesimvira playground. It is Chesimvira SS playground and neshango muri kagati omuri Singiro bamuyaho washango wa Sabit Enoch tumwesje yagureseroha yagutara Philips passa line nagufuna Arafat nompira Arafat nompira passa line Chihanga run but of course being dispossessed. He's dispossessed of course. Musigazi mwetenka Alandegaku naweza kuwa na creating that moment, naweza kuwa natoleka pressure wa district kandi ya Rampara seeking for the win and they top the table, but Isingiro also need a win to prompt their hopes. But of course, as it stands, Isingiro they still have to wait for the next edition. By the way, this is not going to be the first time. Tukurabimuru ndukwa tureba ba champions bari kusigara mu group ntumanyangu imamazyo turebereho kandi gikiti ashema ari kusigara mu group for the second year. Enoch tumwesigana ata cross ningwa bagukeni basikona gurkayo washangoha Philips nompira Philips for Isingiro back pass rukushanga Vian Sabit pass line rukushanga Neymar Philips nompira shot number 4 for Isingiro ata cross ningwa boxi Chihanga nikitazurgayo bitkado basikona guyayo bautomeraho Enoch tumwesije is now tiweji throw in for Rampara. Sigazi Owen shot 11 naza kuba natambika mpira Owen yatambika mpira muringo Enoch tumwesije basikona guheringo kandi wasikugera kimwe throw in abari kandi Rampara once again. Throw in for Rampara once again. Sigazi mwetenka Owen yazakona natambika mpira ba district stage kandi Rampara. Owen for Rampara natambika mpira muringo box bitoye Alandegaku yasikona sirika kandi neza kuba eri free kick aba district ya Isingiro. Throw in for Isingiro, rather free kick for Isingiro. Numugamba ki abari hariyo muri Bwizibwera abanyana banje side za Rubindi, side za Bukiro, side za kuriya muri Rubaya, numugamba ki abari mu town ya Rubayaho abanyana banje bari kuriyo muri Mbara City bichaka bamwe banyana banje aba kuri muri Kakoba abari side za kuri muri Katete abari side za Kamukuzi ukwayituru kumuka abari side za kuriya muri side za Katete n'abaramsabo banyana banje abari side za Kakoba abari side za Behare n'umugamba ki abari side za kuri muri kachika abari muri kamukuzi okaza hamwe Aisema kwa nchi samani mnonga tushika ngo chikopa Chelsea na jendo misho cyabushishe batasina turebaho kandi Argentina nesinga Switzerland goal shatu England kusinga Norway mukisha time Jude Bellingham goals England semi final for the second time myaka 18 ishwanguna na 2018 wakikomsa bakiwa yangalia Croatia za finals France yachikomereza kabwana goals na hari ibiri but now England are back and they're going to face ihangalia Argentina and now Argentina wasikana wasingi ihangalia Switzerland biza omu semi final. By the way omuzanogwe Messi will face England for the first time at the FIFA World Cup entire Jongojin World Cup ya mukaga konka n'umurungu kubaza kuvugana ihangalia England omu career yeyona omusigazi mwete Lionel Andres Messi wihanga eri Argentina omusigazi wa Tadeusz Hame of course asikona kumubibaho tureba NXT mwese for Isingiro nakweza Philips no mpira pass kula hansi na mama nyabo tera Brian pass kono pira gwajera kimwe neza kubera throw in ya district kandi ya Rampara 0 Isingiro of course ekekane cyo kubanza as we speak right about now.
Of course, the defending champions Amaskogo Kurga group stage, of course, Gabase Kwanaganga Chendera district ya Kashari Nambara City Kuchari 0-0. Okasai Sabuchuro Kashari Echkomanch Maisang so far Mbara City Mbabi ne points as King and Amwenda. Isinjiro bine points Ezurkwinga na Mukaga 10 district Jimpa Yarwampara na points Ezurkwinga na Ikumi, that is Omuchibinja Echaba Ninga Group B. Ibarumu Yambara City Kashari Ogisirona district ya Isinjiro Ekako ara nagarkana kwata mukruji mnonga maturka Jazena mas 19 Justus Ningash Kamara Justus Radha Kamara Justus Jazena ma 19 crossing mpira pora Jazena 15 Mweto Vian Sabit Makarikamba kwata mpora so far so composed aba district Empire Rwampara Makarikana mpira Jazena 2 Mwete Alfred Mweto Arafat Radha crossing mpira Jazena 6 Bisambalundo omukuru kumanyaka Alfred Maturika referee experience referee even Egaku Alan Gerard Alliance Nubachijangu yatungamu injury Egaku Alan Gerard of course nomuzana team ya Chikez Homeboys Egaku Alan Gerard umpakeza Uganda Star Times Premier League referee muna chato bila bugenda you're just wasting time Egaku Alan Gerard referee na mweleka ashana jatkwenda kucheza zobira district ya Isinjiro agent twenda kusingo mpira district ya Rwampara ne jati ni chikafuwe twine kuyao draw Ishkangu their first match tari wapale kusinga Isinjiro goals ibiradi yemwe goals zikwingana ibiradi yemwe boxing district by ya Isinjiro that is achino a playground kuri mu district ya Rwampara kaenda goals zikwingana ibiradi yemwe in favor of Rwampara Gaku Alan Gerard chaze number 10 of course yashura abaturi kumsani orokumanyanka Opala Edwin Mukisa taniko mpira mpora Opala Edwin Mukisa nagarikana sana ana Owen hali mukana mbibiri mbaturika jaze number 16 Arnold na sana even na crossing mpira mpora now Dixon Wamanchanga na Sibro Mutu Dixon Wamanchanga na sana na jaze number 6 na kusba line first mpira nagarikana kushanga na jana sikana Owen Mukisa Owen crossing mpira mpora bateka umutwe jaze number 19 Mweteho Justus Kamara crossing mpira mpora Justus Kamara passing mpira mpora of course nazikana Egaku Alan Gerard Patorika Avian Mweto Justus Kamara crossing mpira mpora just number Arafat crossing mpira mpora Tonjere Agrenate ka umutwe Owen nagarikana yachiro mpira Owen crossing mpira mpora Owen crossing mpira mpora bagarikamba kwa tambaronda Egaku Alan Gerard takubona mbaronda jeze number 13 now Enoch Tumwesije crossing mpira ya midfield Enoch Tumwesije bagarikamba kwa tao Kemi Throtomia Obanka yo midfield tera pass no jumnonga nuya center back jeze number 13 Mweto mkuno kama Vian Sabit passing mpira mpora Alliance baronda Arnold Mpumuza crossing mpira mpora Joseph akanwa nao jeze number 14 katika kwata mukache bakurekera mukuru kama Santo nomuzana team ya URA junior team baturakacha zen number 3 Mweto mukuru kama Arnold akamba passing mpira Opala Edwin Mukisa akasega sana kasibra katira pasa kwa crossing mpira katira line mukuru kama Bright just number 5 Bright crossing mpira na Egaku Alan Gerard mpira na kuna Patrick crossing mpira goalkeeper with the save again mukuru kama Odette Golikipa anaisana akwata kurungi mnonga sadi ya district ya Isinjiro mwete Oded passing mpira pona Joseph akanwanaho naso mpira nuya batureka Kemith Rothomio Ebank now just number 14 Santo Kasarwa ya Nyihanga Town kuri muri district ya Rwampara bagurekera Oded golikipa kosa naza kutana kompira Oded mwete utsingwize Oded golikipa hapa district jimpa ya Isinjiro kompira pora nasana rondo mkono kumaka Arafat Kwata Mukache, just the number 6, Mete Alfred crossing on Pira. Now, just the number 7, Mete Mukurukumanyanka Deus, pressing on Pira, Deus, Bagarkamba Muteka Chikorumba Jangu free kick. Habatakas Deus Wakazana Mukubi, Mete Twame Deus, just the number 7, Bakurechera Edwin Opara Mukisa, Owen Agrechera Tonjiri Agre, just the number 12, Nabuzana Timia Chikens Homeboys, of Bakansa Uganda, sometimes the Premier League. Recently qualified from Big Vic. Atonjire Agre. Sana timu ya Chelsea kuzikreta free kick. Atezi barunji bomwite ega ku Aranchered. Batureka Edwin Opara Mukisa drops one. Let's wait and see. Bateka umutaba district jimpa Afian. Akarakamba kwato. Kemis Rothomio Obank and it goes wide. Wete Kemis Rothomio Chiges Homeboys football player. The first man just say number 8 Kemis Rothomio. Sid Wampara misses the services of experienced players like Barak, players like Ogwang Joel, a centre back. Shikangu Boda Bazanabadi Omuchitunga League so far. Abadi district ya Wampara, even anomsani Tujuna Patrick, Namzana Bukema University. Na wadi Omuchitunga League so far tiyari bikamusano batureka ene kutumwese terapasu nunji mnongari yasi. Batureka mukuru kumanyika Arnold, just the number 3 crossing on Piano, Joseph Akanwa now counter attack. Joseph Akanwa now, Missina goalkeeper. Nasana kwata kunjumena mnonga mweta Abdul Shakur Juko. Hamzanwa team ya Wampara Bulls. Abdul Shakur Juko. A good goalkeeper Mbakeza Western Region League. Batureka ene kutumwese nagarika na Missinga. Batureka jazena number 5 mwete Bright. Bakareka mbakwata mpura. Mwete mkuru kumaka Justus Kamara. Crossing on mpira pora. Now Owen crossing on mpira Arnold. Nasano na Edwin Opara Mukisa. Crossing on mpira Ega ku Alan Gerard mbajangu ya offside. Ega ku Alan Gerard. Kasika offside. Ega ku Alan Gerard. Of course ya offside ya time jimpa ya Rwampara. Inga district jimpa ya Rwampara. Hatisamba jeza kuyombesa referee. Even coaches bateza kuyombesa referee. But Ega ku Alan Gerard indeed ya offside. Bakurechera omupira kumanyanka Vian Sabit aza kutuleta mu Africa Vian Sabit Vian crossing mpira pura isamba teka umuteke Kemis Rothomio Ebank mpira na isana kuteka mu mutoro kusayi nogo kushika bakurechera Arnold Ampumusa tena bafira badisuki ya Isinjiro mpira pura bakareka bakwata pura Isinjiro now ene kutumwesije rather crossing mpira pura now Owen bakareka bakwata Arnold jazena number 16 banunda jazena number 19 mwete Justus Kamara Tekambuto mpora Enoch Tumesje akarekamba sana una Arnold harimo na Bishatu Kemith Rothomio Ebank crossing on Piran Barunda Jesse number 7 mwete omukuru kumaka Deus crossing on Piran Egaku Alan Gerard 1-on-1 Egaku Alan Gerard Egaku na Sharamutan Egaku Alan Gerard Egaku again Egaku bakareka crossing on Piran Baguya be district Isinjiro now counter attack kwa Arnold Arafat just number 2 Arafat now counter attack Isinjiro akarekamba kwa Kemith Rothomio Ebank just number 8 crossing on Pira Kashangao mkono kumaka Santo URA junior team Joseph Akanwa now Joseph former Mbarara City captain Joseph Akanwa now Tabora United football player Joseph Akanwa now na Sharaka Sigas Santo crossing on mpira Dickson Wamachanga mbateka mutatonjire Agre very experienced center back but me Chiges Homeboys Atonjire Agre and misses the services of Ogwang Joel Abdul Shakur Juko with the save and of course gets injured Abdul Shakur Juko Rwampara Bulls football goalkeeper Abdul Shakur Juko akasika musiri kumpira Abdul Shakur Juko of course Atonjire Agre good centre back from Atonjire Agre good game reading from Atonjiri Agre and missed the services of Ogwang Joel. Of course, atanapata Ligana Kasigas Ogwang Joel, home center back up team ya Rwampara. But Ogwang Joel so far in Stunga Rick and Abasan Baparak Abraham.
Of course, goalkeeper nafuna obujanjabi. But speak kuya alisika half time mpira gwa sekondo kwa kwegamba. Anyway, Kazo 0-0 na district ya Ibanda kuri muri Kazo. Mbara district nambara 7 gukiri 0-0 half time cyo cya sekondo chwa. And kuri muri sika dakika nzo. Of course half time gukiri gole mu 0. Of course bweje bembiro pira gole mu 0 kuzana district ya Mitoma. Hasigara hano ya gukiri 0-0 mzane nayo kugenda mbisho mukire kaka 0 Isinjiro 0 Rwampara 0 Kazo 0 Ibanda 0 Mbara district 0 Mbara city emwe buhweju 0 Mitoma nakubira bigendo mbisho mukire kaka kandi turengerekera kwa 20 first half and of course hano ya hari Chezibira SS Playground gukiri 0-0.
Of course, bagomeza mu kuzanza goalkeeper Abdul Shakur Jiko. Kushakubaka tunga injara Kasigas Butambara Christmas. Aba district empire ya Rwampara chimaiso inekwetereza Butambara Christmas. The second choice goalkeeper. Aba district ya Isinjiro, or rather aba district ya Rwampara Butambara Christmas. But it seems goalkeeper Abdul Shakur Jiko na agaruka batoreka ba team doctors. Jeza kuzanza goalkeeper I'm reading kuruga owa goalkeeper Abdul Shakur Juko na no musigaza Atonjiri Agre. Of course mbatera mu yellow card Dickson Wamanyachanga kusana wa timu ya Maroons former Chitara football player. Dickson Wamanyachanga former Chitara current at Maroons Football Club mpakeza Uganda sometimes the Premier League and captain wa district ya Isinjiro bamutera yellow card. Dickson Wamanyachanga Jasen number 8 apa district ya Rwampara bamutera rather of Isinjiro bamutera yellow card. Batoreka Atonjiri Agre sakutandikaho a free kick rather in fact a free kick Atonjiri Agre achatu mugende tere mutatongwire Agre Krisingo mpira pora bizamba teka umutwe Enoch Tumwesije teka umutwe pora Bagari kamba kwa pora Edwin Opara Mukisa Kaseka zikine tacha mpira bagari kamba kwa Jasen number 16 crossing kushanga Joseph akanwa nao kamba kwa Jasen number 7 mwete ho Enoch Tumwesije Jasen number 5 passing mpira pora kushanga Arnold Dickson Wamanyachanga Atonjiri Agre go sent back Atonjiri Agre teka umutwe pora now Jasen number 7 mwete Deus Twame bisamba mtekansi bajangu yellow rather free kick Atonjiri rather Kasigas Deus mbakatekansi Mohamed Deus na no musigazi wa timu ya NEC FC and former Chigezi Homeboys former Karoka Runji football player Enoch Tumwesije akazana na timu ya Karoka Runji wasa kureba issues zireho coach Kawesa timu jipaha ya Karoka Runji akaramenshonga za Enoch Tumwesije batoreka Arafat passing mpira pora passing mpira nande not back and half time goes like that 0 Rwampara 0 Isinjiro first half as we speak right now. Batoreka bazana bachangu checho chenyine second half twine ku Rwanda ba district ya Rwampara kamarira second half at least turika 0-0 then tukamariraho our group B twebembire table na points zikingana at least 10 aninga shina points zikingana ka 12 jikangu sofa aba district jimpaha ya Barasite na Kasharba 0-0 then Ibanda na Kazo 0-0 Buhweju Kor M district ya Mitoma 0 ekikumanchi mansangu Mitoma Nubamba Segara group gwa Guti and even a district ya Rubirizi bamaze qualifying bakagita omupaka eza quarter finals ninga quarter finals eza chikopo echa Anchor Cup even district ya Rubirizi chikumanchi maisamba mbetagaho omanzo bingana ome bakati ya district ya Mitoma hamwe na Ngwana district ya Buhweju meaning that Buhweju so far bine capacity Diego Mzamaka progressing bakaza omuchikopo echa Anchor Cup a quarter finals Of course, Beckham the sports master Rio Jose tuliahabwe dakika 9 ambayo za Tayari West TV tushanga tumatisha internet www.tayarnews.com tushanga mukutugwita ogwa X Tayari West TV basa kuba notekaho akaforo wapako umpaho kaforo kawe enekatushemeza even katukora following amuktu ogwa Tayari West tushanga achano bishatu ngaga na mkaga DSTV benankaga na mnana ninga shubura shatu nitano a Star Times then tushanga na channel 07 ziko tendo garaka tushange achano bishatu atana mkaga that is awesome tushanga na Afro Mobile.
Akahoho kararugokwe kukaransona ngunyishe na bene iwe.
Hati turakozesa sabundi za Wandazi.
It is okay, ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura. Kamba njurire esabundi za Wandazi zirime birungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kuhwero kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wandazi herbal soap ibyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wandazi baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi black soap okuchencho burofwa mu mibiri okasigarura bobera. Aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abajenyi banyu Wandazi guest soap eina kahoho karungi. Esabuni za Wandazi ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo abariko no mbwinji tere simu noti 383 gura hati.
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses. At 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800-100-066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Hati mchara
Wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi. Aha bashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya Junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma.
Mwami wanje abwacita kushashura ntukozesa momo noto kutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire mu ndiga basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na van yishomero ahabwo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando, like a daily bando, like a daily bando. Omuliro nguwulira muli mu mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendungu yakusabula. Mikono juu, free of fire, free of fire, free of fire.
This June, step into a bigger entertainment experience with more to love on Us. We're talking more drama, more action, more unforgettable stories, all waiting for you. We're opening up our world of entertainment so you can view more.
Okay.
This June, pay for your current GoTV subscription and we'll upgrade you at no extra cost.
Green Management bakutusako 10 years of MK Promotions. Ebiro by'okwezi 18 kwa Musanzu twaleta Shiba Karungi Shaka Kizinda mu Kishayi abayimbi bangi ne bakomediani zibamuwerekedde okuli Engineer Giovanni Tosuwa Pretty Mark n'abalala okutahamu n'omutwalo gumu n'ecwaka VIP n'emitwalo 3 emeze n'emitwalo 5 tokkiriza kusubwa kujja tunyumirwa endongo ku 10 years of MJ Promotions ng'ajaguza emyaka 10 olw'okusitulanga abayimbi n'okulaakulanya ebitone by'abavubuka nga 18 July Queen Shiba Karungi ajja ekizinda mu kisaawe nga kiwagiddwa tayari West TV Ronet Farmers Hunter FM Radio Apex Graphics Pepsi Printers and Computer Services in Shaka
MTN everywhere you go.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nibagaruka ya ishomero kandi ebintu bikiri kubi aho washota kutwara icweka cya fiza ishomero rya Junior rireze motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abwa chita kushashura ntukozesa momo noto kutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero gacejumbire mu ndige basa kwangura school van
Namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi bingi tunga bingi ahabwa momo na van y'ishomero ahabwo kwejumbiramu nobasa no kushabaroni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Hope you had better luck than us. Did you get the crown? Open it, open it. Man, this better be real. What? Where's the crown?
Grab your popcorn because this season, The Crown is on Pearl Magic Prime. Sundays at 8 p.m.
Uganda! Mwetegese! Abasambi b'omupiira bakabi mu nsi yonna essaawa yonna ogenda kubota buliro awo mu ddiro lyo anti empaka z'omupiira ez'ekikopo ky'ensi yonna FIFA World Cup 2026 zizino zigguse okuva nga 11 Juni okutuuka nga 19 July 2026 butereevu okuva Mexico, Canada ne USA. Tosubwa abasambi ab'amaanyi mu nsi yonna nga bubeefuka. Mbappe anaaba wakabine ku luno, Messi anaabikola neera, Africa enejjako ekikwa ku mulundi guno, Jude Bellingham anaddamu okwefuga makati oba Haaland anaazitebanga bw'abadde. Tosubwa emipiira gyonna 14 butereevu ku Azam TV. Weefunire dikoda ya Azam TV ku mitwalo 4 gyokka oba ey'omunaana ejjirako n'ekisowaani. Dduka mu nnambiro gyefunire okuva ku bakitunzi baffe okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna oba kuba essimu noti 32 3 noti 8 9 noti noti.
Azam TV, entertainment for everybody.
nagundi mugisha mweshongozi witkate mukiza yaturetera gundo mugisha mega ronchi sande yebiri 12 kwezi kwa mushanje umwaka obu ahari university in Mbarara ashagatirwa beshongozi bamani nka Betu Muwanguzi okurga Kampala Zion Kwaya Lilian Nabasa Nora Nankunda Best Emily Lisan Kato Julius Muhozi Bingana Geoffrey Reverend Katunzi Kachaina Media n'abandi binji ebyo kuzanisa by'abana okutahamu manya batoni shirinje 15 abakuru no mutwaro VIP ne mutwari 10 family table emutwaro 50 silver table miliyoni 1 golden table miliyoni 2 ebiri kuchiraho tera noto mushanjo noto 3 anani 5 shanjo na mukaga 16 bishagikirwe.
Come on! The Dusk Drive.
104.5 Banyashigezi FM of the Dusk Drive today. Rachel, at what time should your husband get back home?
At 7 p.m. If you're not home, where are you? As a responsible man, at 7 p.m. where are you?
7 p.m.
We are supposed to be at home.
By the time
dinner is 7:30. You where are you at 7?
What kind of dinner though?
Program The Dusk Drive.
This is 104.5
Banyashigezi FM. We are your #1 favorite station.
Otaferwa aha tayari West.
Up tayari West TV Beckham the Sportsmaster Rio Judge Jose today Western Chomzano echa kabiri turebe oba honorables ningash members of parliament honorable Lilian Ruteraho honorable Juma Asensio of course na nabandi bakwa teams tukuza kutandikaho a second half teba kumanya first half tareba Rwampara omusano gukwa 0-0 between Rwampara na district ejimpa ya Isinjiro chikopo necha Angre Cup edition emu kwa katano their first match checha chinoni stadium tukareba Rwampara Bakisinga district ya Isinjiro goals zikingana ebiri ahemwe. We are still waiting of who will qualify to the next round of quarterfinals Bagatia district ejimpa, but so far Rwampara bakorfainjira kwegita arengo orwa quarterfinals, so turinzire turebe bakorfainga as leaders ninga Shimbara City bazakorfainga as leaders of Group B. Batori kabazana ba ega Alan Gelad. So far, big performance. Omsano Gumpaha, Omsana Tunjiri Agre. Hasana ba team Chigez Homeboys. Of course, Batido performance Yama ba district ya Para.
Ngochi tuachi amute. Abashaba. Mpira. One. Kandi ntubendeza Isinjiro kusinga mpira
nyina kubanza kubasima mwebale so far so good akati twalebe mwembera yakoraki kandi nakomanyisa muhumure abarwampa abatayira nyina kumamisa musecurity eritaitiye ndakajiro korarikira munecho kwasa kuba coach barefu nimatwa twalebe imbere yabire kuri Mbara itwabe 20 sana kandi nabamisa musecurity eritaiti meke tuzano mpira kubonire ntubase kutamburaje aba Isinjiro nyina kwaza mete mpira gwabo kuba cyo twenda turi mutwasa kurabaho tuzastage rugaraka abanyarva mutere mukumamuriyo witu mwene mutere mukusasira umutere mukuturekerarекeramu nito tubase kujya kutwarabaho ebintu bitambureje mwe bari munonga kamene zo mpira mungi bafunungi munonga
ekinkushaba abazane mbaju zombi ompira numukimanyana Biburi ne kigamba ngubabiri bano bazana na hatekwa kurigamwe umwe akasimbura mbwene ompira guturiyo ntuzamu ninsima coaching staff ninsima rifarizi ninshaba abazana basebo mutazando kufwa no kukira abagenyi bitu you are most welcome orasinge kasaturiya biraguju oguno mpira gwo mukago etara Isinjiro burugora nagitaho emitware 5 eyite isingiro kandi nimbahumuriza oba batusinga nitwe ba defending champion w'urugwayi omwaka gwa 2023 ekatwara world cup hati nisingire kaya gitwire yagiro mbyafayo nitubendeza success abazani
mwebale munonga kusima munonga abazani bisingiro n'abarwambara sofa ompira tukireba guri nil kandi nturebe cyayi fair mwe tubashaba ngo ecweka cya kabere kabazani bitu reka bagumize mba kusamba jo mpira kandi hatagero wahenda mutahiweye abo kubatwena turi abankore mwebale munonga. Of course, Nechikopo Echa Anchor Cup, a 5th edition, Isingiro 0, District ya Rwampara 0. Nechikopo Echa Anchor Cup, Acha Chache Zimbire Playground. Acha Chache Zimbire Playground, Treva Captain Joseph Akanwana, rather Joseph Akanwana Ho, Chase number 14, Dixon Wamanya Changa. Dixon Nwamanya Changa and Joseph Akanwana Ho, Chase number 14. Pona Miriam Piraktanika. Chikango politicians, Bagita Mama. And call batiteka asente mtware tano every call Isingiro TV no matter what they are the defending champions of our show. Of course I'm gonna become the sportsmaster real judges here to be able to chomzano echa kabiri Rwampara 0 district ya Isingiro 0.
Well, and of course first half twari ba district ya Rwampara kwa discipline na mnongo mu defense and bari beso musikazi Joseph akandwa naho Otiro nangwa na Dickson changa kufuna more touches za mpira niyo shonga habwa kibasigara bine that game momentum okusomukire nkaka kushanga mpira kuchira 0-0 but of course second half is underway and of course Rwampara nibetaga kwa bafuna kabonero kamwe ninga shofuna tumukere kandi na Isingiro nibenda kwasa bahangura maybe ekirari gomuke mweria kibazo bereza amanse izina opara no mpira opara for Rwampara opara na salamu tasika nasikaza goalkeeper nasikaza mama opara Opara Lawrence for Rwampara gets the goal very early in the game. Opara shot number 4 for Rwampara. He scored Opara Edwin. Mama Nyabo. Isingiro cannot believe this. Isingiro kitubakachichirize mbebuza habwachi. Isingiro tubakuchichirize kitabakumanya why? Nanarga kugambira nti Rwampara bashamba bine discipline no mu defense yabo mudashikana nitanezo kubanza. And of course referee nagaba yellow card. Temis Rothomio segona tunjira yellow card dakikeze nyini. Fact is called Opara celebration here is gonna kind of way. Naireka in discipline left. Oh, Isingiro on the move, on the run. Here comes Ed Phillips no Peter Phillips for Isingiro. Phillips Dixon. Let's go to Kautamu. Arnold. And of course, some so the Katapatu Pirasona we can't go conjure Chimaher throw in for Isingiro. After Gorio Kubanza Trevo Kan Piravas Hinuka generally. Pira kwa hiduka generali kaza kwa tureba ho empira hiduka mukire kaka throw in baito mpira muri ngomboxi mitwe basikono hiriga gwargayo biza kwa shango Phillips kano mpira gwargayo refa najina kwa boxan city mahanuya refa najina kwa boxan city maneza kubera free kick aba district kandi ya Isingiro bamusigazi Phillips bamushambira kubineza kubera free kick aba district ya Isingiro very in a close range Bamusigazi Phillips bamushambira kubi Jikangu yellow card zibiri zonke zitwabasikontero muzano ogogu bamusigazi Dickson Nwamanya Changa yasikona pana yellow card mu first half and hati twabasiko ntwara musigazi Taka Opara Edwin the goal scorer for district ya Rwampara kana we yasikona pana yellow card free kick ile mtight angle bamusigazi Edwin Roda msikazi wakataka Phillips shot 4 Juko bamuhereza birabo Shakur Juko bamuhera kimwe birabo kandi Piras ko nagwika kurungi munonga. Shakur Jiko bamuhereza birabo asumira mpira muringwa. Sigazi Vian Sabit. Akirani ngo mpira gwasuje mwende kwetwa bari Rampara. Throw in for Rampara. Sigazi wetaka Sato. Tuyasasira naza kwa natambika mpira kurungi munonga badi shuti ya Rampara. 0 Rampara emwe, in fact 0 Isingiro emwe Rampara. Opara Edwin Mukisa shot 4 difference maker. The difference maker Opara Edwin Mukisa. Rio Jose Beckham Simura Domingo Cuthbert yatumera gwashanga Kemis najya kwa natapinga mpira gwa Sangoha sikaza gatanka Kemis ahiri mpira muringwa gwashanga Sabit Simura mpira muringwa batumeraho Tanya sikona tumeraho outbreak kandi refanya kirango Dickson yanargo offside Dickson chihanga nargo offside kandi za kubera Africa District kandi ya Rampara. Of course District ya Rampara bakora mwipinda hinduka. Sigazi Edison Mugume naza kwa nataho mu kandi nataho manyagwa Alan Egaku. Naza kwa nataho manyagwa Alan Egaku. Sigazi Alan Egaku na shura kandi bameza mukaro. Bagira ngo bare muri mugwa akora no kwamana munonga bare to musigazo gataka Edison Mugume shot number 2 district ya Rampara kandi yazo mwanya kwa Deus kula hansi Deus for Rampara Deus rompida nashara muntu para kula line basi kale ya mera refa nagira ngun free kick ya district ya Isingiro kuri mukona flag yabo. It's very Sigazi Owen asimuna pira muringwa naronda shot 19 wa district ya Isingiro mwetinka Justus Kamara Refena jirangu neza kwera pick ya district kandi ya Isingiro Sigazi Justus Kamara bamushambira kubineza kwera free kick nasimuna pira muringwa Kemis Orthomio natabi kompira kushira line kura higuru Kemis na kitaga kono murundo gundi Zana shanga Sigazi Sato tujasasira nalita pasa line Zikon wasindika line Eriz Rampara Nicho hanisha Rampara Isingiro Refena jirangu throw in a district kandi ya Isingiro. It's a free kick for Isingiro unyano jaruchiza kireka kaguchiri 0 district ya Isingiro emwe district ya Rampara courtesy of Opara Edwin Mukisa shot 4 Isingiro with a free kick Beto mpira muringwa ino kutumwesje Burans Dixon chihanga yako misinga Gwashanga Deus yasimura mpira muringwa tentu muchi Naronda Mugume de substitute Mugume Edison wakutepinga ho Gwashanga Opara no mpira de goal scorer Opara baskari yansu refana jangu tine chilo tukumiza mu is now ino kutumwesje tukume refana jangu waro free kick by Isingiro msikaza kutaka ino kutumwesje Nasa muringwa goalkeeper Juko na sikuna rukaya line ya sikuna kwa takuru jumnonga for district kandi ya Rampara Shakur Juko goalkeeper for Rampara nachikana wachatu mwikikane chasma time Marcos kuchiri 0 Isingiro emwe echokane cha kabiri of course kwa turebona results ziri kuri ya ahandi actually tukon turebo kandi kuri ahandi bintu bita Tareo district ya kazi barufite bagoro bakasana bagishara Ajurugambira mukora kuvuga kuri ngo reka ngo ibanda Dan kuri muri ubukiro 00 Mbara district babara 0 na babara 0 kandi kuri muri Buhweju hari sika kuchiriye mweziro in favor of Buhweju sigazi tomu kakaira yate muchaka chokwanza mudachika ya munana kandi niko kuchiri na hati muchaka cha kabiri mudachika akandi eyana na Mushanju. As we speak, Tumesa Isingiro, the defending champion of Empakezi, they're almost heading home as we speak right about now. They're almost heading home if it stays like this. And of course, indeed, District Yaivanda, Batunga card, Erukura. District Yaivanda Batunga card, Erukura, Batompira, which is 0-0, Kurio Murkazo. Biaskan Kokubiri, it will be Chiruhura as the first team. Koko Tugambira the first district, of course, Bazoko Embera Group B. Then District Yaivanda Bazumanyagwa Kabiri. Na points kan na itano. And Kazo was going to say Batahi, na points Zavo Ishatu. Hari group of course. Mwana jirati Kazabaji kwa tarama guru. Muri yakuzana echkuri. Rengwaro mukareba shambi. Atara amaguru jibasa unayakwereza advantage yo kugira ngo utegure utira hansi. Mwenu Kazo baji kwa preteka. Chikane cha kabiri. Sakwa turida turebe. Ubukutara skone Stamburga amukire nkaka but gukira 0-0. Asakwa turida turebe shokuzara skone Stambura. It is now Phillips for Isingiro. Alita pass kwa Shangoha. Sikazwa tanka Arnold yalita cross ningo box agre. Yagwe ningo kwa skone gurgayo. Kwa Shang Arnold for Isingiro. Mama Nyabo. It is a corner. Omusigazi Marvin Oshaba, the captain yabaskona heba red card. It is a corner for Isingiro.
Zero Isingiro. Go MA district ya Wampara Opara Edwin Mukisa of course being a corner kick about district ya Isingiro. Baza kutuleta mukona kick biza a district jimpa ya Isingiro Barundi Koraiza teka momuto Brusha Kurjuko with a save again. Bagarambare teko teno kutumwesi jopia na izana kuteka head. Teno kutumwesi jo former Karokaronji football player former Chigas Homeboys football player very soon he'll be unveiled at NEC FC. He'll be unveiled at NEC FC Football Club eno kutumwesi Mumpakeza Uganda State za Premier League kasiga zikasirike mboko mpira gwiza gwazahe Enoch Tumwesje akazana timu ya Karunji timu ya Chicago Homeboys last season Fosi nwabe nazana omupira ogwakasira Enoch Tumwesje nataka katika mumto Enoch Tumwesje bakagamba kota mukach Owen teka mumto Enoch Tumwesje back once again patoleka kasiga zimweteho zazena ma 19 mweteho Justus Kamara Emery kunjumnonga on free kick bafal offside Justus Kamara Tosingo mpira mpora Justus Kamara bakarikamba teka mutu ya timu ya Isingiro bakarikamba kwa mpora Justina 5 Enoch Tumwesje crossing mpira kulia hansi na sana runda mkuru kumaka Arnold bakarikamba kwa Owen mpira bizamba kuteka Haline kuchali Haline Justina 6 mwete Alfred Mwaka Alfred passing mpira mpora now Enoch Tumwesje counter attack Isingiro crossing mpira ya Omuri a central defense mwete Justus Kamara Kosa mbasana na mkubi akasiga zimwete Vian Sabit Vian bamusana na mkubi jase number 13 Sabit Vian bamusana na mkubi aba district ya Isingiro bachabe mbiro mpira ko emwe omurubusha bachache bembire Isingiro Wampara ko emwe mkuro kumanka Owen brother Edwin Opara Mukisa jase number 4 Ramzan wa timu ya Chicago Homeboys bizamba tena mu yellow card katuremba chereza Oha bachangu chaze number 2 yazana mukubi aba district ya Rwampara Mugume Edson of course bamutera yellow card Mugume Edson chaze number 2 aba district ya Rwampara Mugume Edson bamutera yellow card basagabaho fair play aba district ya Isingiro fair play bakata Enoch Tumwesje Sharamu Tanuya Enoch Tumwesje Sana garkana na mukuru jumnonga jaze number 16 Bizamba Sibra jaze number 4 piano kizanu kusahiri mbajangu goal kick aba district ya Rwampara Abdul Shakur Juko kusakutreta mu goal kick Abdul Shakur Juko Shkopone cha Anchor Cup 50th edition Become the sports master Real Chat Jose aba full time in the chika cheda Rwampara Core Emwe Isingiro 0 kankuba noronda goals ibiri ndiga kuba noronda maximum points bakabanza kutebe kikuba kimanyisa ngo so far hopes za district ya Isinjiro ninche mbateka mutwe ano chaze number 3 oyo para Edwin Mukisa teka mpora bakwata now eno timu SJ bagarika bakwata muchaze number 16 tera pasi runji munonga hanu ya Rhino Tonjire Agre apena sana kuteka musoro ina Tonjire Agre namuzano wa timu ya Chesa Boys Tonjire Agre so far defending from Tonjire Agre Shikangu atari na pataninga mnongo mu defense na Ogwang Joe tiyarebeka today Tonjire Agre tatoleka nguna basa kukitera muna atoyembire Cuthbert aho mu defense patinga mpira ukurunji mnonga hanuya Jazena number 6 na shara mu ntwaro ya run crossing omupira Arnold bateka muto Joseph akanwa naho teka mu muteke Joseph Fajirangu yumukaho Joseph akanwa naho bamuzana mukubi Joseph akanwa bamuzana mukubi Yangu yumuka Joseph akanwa naho now ene kutumu SJ mpira mpora he's now Jazena number 19 weto mukuru kumanyanka Jasas Kamara crossing on Joseph akanwa naho katika kwata mpora bajangu now let's wait and see there is nothing Tina Chiruho jangu free kick bajangu free kick kwa district ya Isinjiro basana mukubi Joseph akanwa naho can he equalize from the cross range? Let's wait and see. Just number 3 Arnold and Joseph akanwa. Of course, it's on your line here. Joseph akanwa naho. Atebera kunji mnonga free kick season paho. Joseph akanwa naho. Ayemerera kunji mnonga omu free kick. Former Bright Stars, former Express player, former Barra City captain Joseph akanwa naho. Ayemerera kunji no akanwa naho. Kateba what a lovely free kick. Kanwana it did he scores from close range and Nico rises. Isinjiro with the Nico riser. Kanwana what a lovely strike from former Barra City captain, from Bright Stars player, former Express player Joseph Akanwa. Former Nyamitawara FC football player Joseph Akanwa equalizes for Isinjiro district. Korima Hariama Isinjiro. What a lovely strike. So for 1-1. Today we had Zimbata home shy. I don't know. Think about Batsi. I've had Zimbata home shy. So for 1-1. Coconut Chukambra Joseph Akanwa. Always scoring. Tabora FC football player Joseph Akanwa naho. Abaru mpara changu Turonda winning goal. Tera pass nunji mnonga area line. Now mukuru kumanyaka Deus. Area pass nunji mnonga bakaba. District ya Isinjiro. Crossing on Pira now Arnold. Crossing on Pora. Now just the number 3. Passing on Pira Arnold. Bagakamba teka mumutwe. Bizamba kwata Edwin Otwala Numukisa. Passing on Pira Nuya line. District ya Isinjiro. Single Peter, just the number 6 meter Alfred, passing on Peter Aran, Pora, Enoch to message, crossing on Peter Joseph Akanwa, Bagakamba Kwataho. Now Joseph passing on Peter and Pora Santos, Pena Sana Garakuria line. Somebody Amukuru Kumanyanka. Line Pora Arnold, passing on Peter Pora, and your midfield. Now that's the number 16, Mete Joel, passing on Peter Pora, Edwin Paramukisa rather Atonjire Agre. Passing on Pora, Kemis Rotomia Bang, just the number 5, Mutamukuma Bright, Kakumro, Bright, passing on Pora, Chumro Bright, and I Sanata Sanu, Chumro Bright, on Pabagakamba Gumio, passing on Pira Bachamba Sanamukubi. Yellow card, Chumro Bright. Yellow card, passing on Pora, Joseph Akanwa now counter attack, Bisabarona Dixon, Wama Chango Pata Gubona, passing on Pora, Enoka to message, passing on Pira Harianan, Upatampora, crossing over Pira, let's wait, Jahanga, again. Can be one Pira, but district Aya Wampara, just the number 14, Meta Santos and the yellow card. And the Euro comes again, but the yellow card, just the number 3, Meta Arnold and Pubusa, yellow card. Jasana Mukubaka Sigaska Santos. Jasana Mukui. Ampumusa Arnold. Tese number 3 yellow card. Nasana Mukubi Abgasai Dokumanya Kanamanya rather Meteo Santos Studia Sasra. Nemisana Timia URA Junior team. Nenzadwed n'esarwa ya Nyihanga abasana mukubari hansi Owen Ratha Santos from Nyihanga abasana mukubi referee center referee na shosa yellow card abo musana kumanyanka ampubuza Arnold Ratha ampubuza Arnold bamutera yellow card Joseph akanwanaho batiza kwanisa nebusan ebigambo na Kemith Rothomio Opank. And let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see to say number 3 Arnold and a yellow card. After a yellow card. Of course, the intensity of the game. Region German intensity of the game. Batoreka free kick. Batoreka Mukuru Kumanyanka Kasbat. Mete Atoyembire Kasbat. Just say number 15. Nazak Treteramu. Nazak Tonjeramu. Nazak Tretamu a free kick. Mete Atoyembire Kasbat. Crossing on Pura. Sabateka Mutwe. Now again. Enoch to message. Garakambakota Pura. Just say number 6. Mete Mukuru Kumaka Alfred. Passing on Pira. Owen on Pira. Nice and take a Batoreka Alfred again. Pura Owen Agarkana take a moment. Deus Garkana Kota Pura. The number 19 meter just as Kamara just as passing on Pura. Is now Arnold. That's the number 3 passing on Pura. Now Arnold again crossing on Pura Joseph Akanwana Kemith Rosamio Bang Naruna Opera Edwin Mukisa Kemith Rosamio Obang passing on Pira Bright. Now Sharamutaria Bright. Now Bajrango Haro free kick. Bajrango free kick advantage. 50 advantage. Kemith Rothomio Obang with the free kick. Nagurechera Kasbat Atoyembire Kasbat captain. Atoyembire Kasbat captain na chat kaka na Kemith Rothomio Obang. Uzan atimi ya Chicago Homeboys. Kemith Rothomio na chati omupira guteke amutogwa kutoka Opara na chati bakora substitution Joel na Shora Mweteho Musimeta Joel Walika number 7 Mweteho Muhwezi Gilbert Jase number 7 Muhwezi Gilbert na tamu mcha Joel Jase number 7 Muhwezi Gilbert Pasiko Pira Ogwang Patamumpora he's bright again Passing on Pierre Dixon, Wamanya Changa, Counter Dixon, Wamanya Changa, Muteka Hans Bright, Bagaraka Baguiba, passing on Pierre Joseph Akanwanaho, passing on Peter Clear Ryan, Bagaraka Pora, Jase number 4, Mete Phillips, Hario Mupira Phillips, passing on Mupira, Phillips and Bamuta, Grumpia Bamuteka Hans Bajangu, no corner kick in the district, Jimpaya is intro. Who seconds of Wizana Man of what district is intro, Matt Teberachi, crossing on Joseph Akanwanaho, what a miss again! What a lovely miss! What a lovely defense! Can miss Rothomio a punk? I can see guys crossing on Piraka Phillips. Wapara Mateverachi.
And of course, Kemith Ariahan Sava district ya Rampara. Kemith Rothomio. Of course, Ariahan Skandi, referee Chilangu. Let us wait and see elsewhere. Buheja Chambiro Piragore Muharizum, Sugazik, Tom Kakairim, the Chikamano Chikachoka Savana Teva. Korea, America's 0-0. Remember to Mapino Shavaya have a red card. But and again Hanuya Hariemwe Ramparani Barakoremwe na Sinjore Barakoremwe Kuria muri Ubuchiro Mbarasite ne Baraziro na Nambara district ne Baraziro Batera fa Here's a free kick for Rampara. Sigazi Mwetenka Agretonjire is a free kick for Rampara. Eto mpira mulingo. Chest control. Ina para. Yasi mpira mulango kwa Shango hata usibagu yaho Enoch Mwese. Wiza kwa Shango. Goha, Enoch Twasmeche, Pascola Hansi, Phillips, Chikominangai, Phillips Rumpid, put a pass line, Pura, now sitting on the move, on the run, Nakagomu to the Vascona for Kurunjun, Washanga Enoch Tumesje, Enoch, Tumesje, Piramoringo, now Rondo Hana Dexon Tiakuna, Washango Joseph Tago missing Owen. Now Justus now getting up into much chest control from Arnold. Is now 7 OZ. Pass a line. Now Rondo Joseph Akadwana. Joseph Akadwana with the ball. As a guy did this for the Piramuya Kurunga Kanda. We are Piramuringa. Hedson Tiagfuna. Justus header is now Tumesje pass Yakfuna Deus is now Twanjiro Pascola Hansi now Funa number 6 now go na kushanga is now Vian Savit Pascola Hansi Gwashangoha Mark Nasimo Piramuringa line Gwashangoha is now throwing for Rampara. It is throwing for Rampara. Kwansima batiri makasata kiji munonga district ya Rampara aba Ramps ichumwe sama nokushangana mushapoti ga district ya Rampara kale veji Ian Kanzira Foundation ichumukoze ni system munonga tongera kwansima district ya Rampara kushanga mutira man mingi munonga last edition kakora this edition mutira bikora tere cross lingwa uza gwashango wa Cathbert na hiringo mpira muhango kura hansi mshango wa Deus Bagutaho is now Deus once again. Deus for Rampara. Deus Pirabuja Heru. One essential. One Rampara. It is now Dixon to the passing and the referee free kick district Isinjiro. It is a free kick for Isinjiro. Free kick for Isinjiro Kandi. 0-0. And of course, Bedachika Nshanju kuri muri kazo gushira 0-0 and remember nti ibanda at 10 men banywa mafi no shaba kubasa kwa nahebwa red card gushira 0-0 and remember nti ibanda ni cheri kwenda as we speak right about now abukubaniza kwa yigita district ya Ichiruhura kwa second wazo mkota final. Last year ibanda waka missing out, but this year they only have to contain the last 20 minutes. Muchasi cha kabiri kan turebe ko 0-0 then was qualifying, but if anything can happen, any single goal can stop everything. Omkire Nkaka. Ibanda are still unbeaten. Kazo with only one loss. Only 3 goals scored in Group P. Last game. Goals ishatuzonka esitebero mu Group G. Kandi Ibanda tebero goal emwe. Chiro yasikora teba goals 2. Sigazi Atwa Innocent Nana Noah Brian crossing ingwa but Justus Kuragumisinga Karwas kunujira chimuheru. Goal kick for Rampara. Na ningambiro goals ishatezi basone stebwa kandi Group P. It is goal emwe omu district ya Ibanda. Goals 2 za district ya Chiruhura, that is Atwire Innocent. Goal emwe then anomusigazi Noah Brian. Goal emwe hariezi ishatezi basone stebwa na mnongo mu Group P as we speak right now. Nishkangu yosema basikona shobora group stages atatebere goal nemwe tehambwira muzanda gumwe koze draws 3 kandi yasokane taha kurunji munonga okuriga mu Group A. Is now goalkeeper asubura pira muringo zibashanga kabisa na hiringo pira kuri hansi gwashanga ane. Is now Silas Deus Naronda Edison, in fact yabari Bright pass kuri hansi header from Atuhe. Is now Tumesje Enoch Tumesje pass a line nashanga Arnold naita cross ningwa nasa Joseph Haranaho Joseph Kenneth Cuthbert ya tapping on for Pora. Arnold is now Cuthbert once again header was going to go Kenneth Batumera hands refer free kick for Rampara, of course, as they speak right about now. Of course, ebintu byegera kandi bitabuka Dabies zangira kandi ziba Dabies. Dabies zangira kandi ziba Dabies. 1-1 Isinjiro 1 Rampara Sigazi Opara Edwin Gore Muya Rampara Sigazi Joseph akandwa naho nawe yasikona funa equalizer kangu Joseph akandwa naho is among the top scorers. Dominating the district ya Rampara, rather district Isingiro are almost heading home. If they cannot win this, there will be a side Korea Harabuchiro Kashari Gwawa 0-0 number 6. That means Isingiro no way kuhangura muzanogu. It will mean nothing. Omuribuchiro Gwawa 0-0. And now Rampara and Mbara City are through to the quarterfinal of Ankole Cup from Group B, rather from Group D. Rampara and Mbara City are through to the quarterfinal. Kirambu ya Sikwane Magore 0-0. Haria Hari Buchiro Playground. That means into Rampara no way kusinga. Isingiro no way kusinga. It will mean nothing from Group D. That is done and dusted. Done and dusted. Mbara City and Mbara District 0-0 full time. And that means it will mean nothing as we speak right about now. That is it for today. Isingiro and Mbara District will wait for next edition. Ebirarugehane tubirahindure any fixture, tubirahindure any results from Group D. Eno crossing pakandwana. Now second Gabanti on the 2 games for the goals in the condition too. Top scorers we speak right now. Musigazi Mwetenka Musigazi Barkwetaka Clinton Kamugisha is the leading top scorer currently no Mbara City. Noebe mbira batebi omukire kaka Joseph akangwaro mwanya gwa kabiri aine goals 3 omizane birasko na shamba. Today he has scored 1 and last game against Mbara City he scored twice. Those are 3 goals for Joseph akandwanaho omshambi wa Tanzania Revenue Authority Jete Katabora United kule muhangera Tanzania is now Dawes pira gujo hero throw in for Isingiro. Omurikazo gukiri 0-0. Omurikazo gukiri 0-0 kazo 0 ibanda 0. Kandi kuri muri isi kagukiri gole mwe 0 Mitoma are almost heading home. Mitoma are almost heading home after 1-0 lead. Free crossiningwa Umboxi Dixon now go heading Agre is now shot 7 Ozil for Isingiro. Ozil itom pira muringwa pira guda heru goal kick for Rampara. Goal kick aba district ya Rampara mnyano aja rusakire kaka guchirikore mwe ya Rampara gore mwe ya Isingiro. Sigazi Opara Edwin ya tebera district ya Rampara kandi kitanwanaho ya tebera district ya Isingiro. Doka bachumnyano wanje Binaman Bernard Mhajizi wa district ya Rampara ya jangwa hakire nkaka echokora nisensemana mnonga none kamsime bati askuru shema abashema batahire but forwe obwo hatagiza tunza kuhagira Greater Bushenyi. That means naza kuhagira Rampara naza naza kuhagira Isingiro so naza kuhagira Rulizi hamona na Bushenyi Greater Bushenyi oye is now Ozil for district ya Isingiro. Ozil na itampira muringo na rondoha Joseph na gwashangoha Juko Shakul Juko for district ya Rampara pira sokona kwata kurunji mnonga. Shakul Jiko pira kwa sokona kwata kurunji mnonga. Rampara are preparing another substitution. But of course, as we speak right now, nothing will change in Group D. Rampara and Mbara City are through to the quarterfinal of Ankole Cup 2026 edition Eyakatano Yempaka Ankole Cup. Rampara and Mbara City are through to the quarterfinal. That means Isingiro will have to wait for next edition if they are to create any difference for this moment. Chiruhura and Ibanda are almost heading to quarterfinal. And of course, umusigazi wari kweta nka Tuhame Deus nargayo nibareta tuhimbise Gilbert shot 17 tumuhimbise Gilbert bareta Gilbert shot 17 with a student, one of those classic talents. Sigas Gilbert shot 17 Warampara barita kurose ningwa Warampara gwiza kushangoha is now Vian yampira muringwa Enoch Tumwesche nasubira pira muringwa naronda Tumwesche washangoha Kemithi askara kwenya kurunji mnonga gwiza kura hansi washangoha is now Arnold nasubira pira muringwa gwiza washangoha is now Edson askara gumuyaho is now Enoch Tumwesche for Sinjiro Enoch Tumwesche against Opara is now Tumwesche Enoch once again against Edson atapia pira muringwa kura hansi Bright for Rampara 1-2 nakanga Bright Pass kwa Sango para anopera kule hansi kusangoha sina Vian anaweza kuwa na shielding anakureka finally basi kurogia line washa isana mise kwa Edson mama nyabo Edson pia basi ya usikona kuteka heru kanaweza kwa goal kick ya Isinjiro, goal kick for Isinjiro. Hansi Opara anaweza kwenda kwa mpira kandi Gwiza gwajara chimuhero anaweza kwa throw in ya Isinjiro akitaka kurunji mnonga washanga Phillips nompira Phillips back pass narondoha naona Ozil nompira Ozil for Isinjiro pass line nukushanga Justus na Sasra asema mpira muringwa naona Joseph akanono chest control wacha hansi ni sura refa naja kutugumiza mtine chiro Cuthbert nasema mpira muringwa washangoha Vian pass hansi washangoha zina Phillips nasema mpira muringwa ndo basi kwa ndo bamu Gwiza gwalisha goal keeper Juko Shakul yasikana kwa takurunji mnonga
na district ya Rubirizi na district ya Bweshu nabo barabamu then district ya Wampara na Mbarara City team nabo basi Tika umuche pura pora. It's now the number 4. National Mutanuya crossing umupira. Let's wait and see. Bitama jira pura. The number 3 Arnold. Mutanuya.
It is Pora free kick for. It is a free kick for Rampara. It is.
sofa okalidinga ekibinja ekya group B nekimanyisa ki abwa district eya Rwampara and even winning mentality sofa tine kimwana mwitaga omuzano progressing at quarter finals nekimanyisa ki kugumiza muno musinga emipiira bwa district eya Rwampara.
Olaba soka kwebaza abalenzi bange performance gye bataddeko kulaba nti tufune nediro tebadde nyangu naye tukyebaliza Katonda nti tuzze nuteekawo because last game teyaggwa bulungi naye twasobola okugiwangula okusinzira ebyava mu kakiiko naye leero twali tulina kye twagala okubeera waggulu ku table so tufune owookubiri mu gurupu yawa eya Bushenyi amu ne Shema so tusobodde okifuna lwa nsonga twagala keeping that winning momentum kulaba nti ne tuba tugenze mu quarter finals kibenga kituyamba kulaba nti wetukomye wetugenda okola ki kutandikira so ku side yaffe tugenda kuzimbira ku kino for the next game.
Okumisinga abazaani nikimanyisa ki abazaani babiri amwa misinga the likes of Barack Abraham even Ogwangjo.
Ekyaffe ekyo twayagadde lwagazi nti abasambi baffe bawumule betegekere quarter finals already twazize nga tukimanyi twakolofayinga dda naye nga kyetwetaaga okusigala nga moving forward no keeping akabonero nga tukola ki tugenda maaso so twabawumuza buwumuza nga twetegekera quarter finals on Friday.
Yebara mnonga ogwene coach aba district eya Rwampara kantino binja butwineganira nabo twine Honorable Mujun Mal Asensio bamwe oningashi omubaka wa parliament legislator abwa Isinjiro South kandi omwe Ombanyisenjero akuruga mu district eya Isinjiro babiri batiremu amani. Honorable Mujun Mal Asensio nekimanyisa ki abwa district eya Isinjiro akuteekamu akasente kanyu kingi mnonga then mutaruga omukibinje kya group B.
Of course nkanye nkomuzaano omupiira nikyenge by'omupiira ekibikumanyisa nimanya nooza omupiira either kusinga ninga kusingwa so erizoba twagwa draw twazaana n'abantu biitu twagwa draw twaruga mu kikopo but I think Isinjiro abo twine competition y'amaani n'okugira tiimu z'ezindi abo nabo bateemu amaani mingi so ka defending champions twagyeho mu kibinja but I think in the next season nisa kuba tuimprovinga tubase twaguma tutere ekikopo eki kandi tubasa kukisinga
tugire ngu imwe ba members ba parliament ko kumutiremu amaani omu 5th edition tugire omu edition ya mukaaga amaani negagumiza mu kurugira ayimukomere ningashi aba disappointments nomuza kuyamaani mu district ya Isingi.
Mazima kyo kangambira ati ekikopo nibwo kyatandika ninga amaani go gatandika tukora batwana bakora emipiira konga tutakuba participating in konga this time round kiba tu involve nje muno mpya gwegwina amaani mingi na districts zaleta abaana abakumanya omupiira so kyatuma njokola abaana bingi babase kujamba base twabase kujama konga nyina kumanyisa abantu mwena mu next season tusagaza amaana aitwa akoma no turatandikire kwa mtu asaka mtu kasinga ekikopo eki hawo kwani tumanya omugasho gw'ekikopo eki na n'omukago ekikureta aha tiimu ziitu za Ankole.
Okay, imwe nkaba members of parliament kuruga Ankole mwine Ankole caucus and embeera y'ebishayi ekyarimbi twakatongera regional stadium numuranga kyo gumwa kubino mutera government anshonga yebyemizaano bya Ankole.
Of course twaza cyana kecha stadium na mnonga sports nka Ankole twine kachekaitu ngano shaka kachekaitu baragifire munonga so kantu ntwenda kumenga shwa hakiri omyaka etane turiyo ekisanje kiturimu turane mnonga turemu hakiri nitwe ngo kubaterize binde bisayi ebyezindi regions nitwe hakiri nka Ankole twasa kuteza kitu cyakacheka cyaza standard kujya tumeto hosting Imperial International.
Yebare mnonga ogwe ni Honorable Mujun Mal Asensio aba district ya Isinjiro kandi member wa parliament wa Isinjiro House yabasa kuba natugambira byinshi tuneganira na bamwe kuruga mu district ya Rwampara bashobore niki ekibakozere munonga kusinga additions ezuwire aturebireho last edition ya 4th edition Isinjiro baka arwengo orwa semi-finals bakshora semi-finals so far muri quarter finals nekimanyisa ki Rwampara next steps niki ekya Rwampara tugarizaho
mwe bari munonga aba Tayari TV kandi nyamazina ndi Ian Kanzara obire ari sponsor wa Rwampara district team ni mbanza congratulating team ya Rwampara kurengu yabasa qualifying for quarter finals kandi ryamutwe gwa table nichisa munonga nk'abanyarwampara itwe nk'abahagizi nk'abatiremwe sentamani mingi munonga kureba ngo timu yitu nko kubaturaganise obabemba tushaba support kureba katuraganisa ngo bagumiza muno ba winning empireji kandi rizoba twareba batwereko mpira murunju munonga na Isinjiro district nobwo aho 1-1 koka kwaguryo mpira kukwereza amani kandi ukwereka ngo na quarter finals etu yo tuza kusingura buzuma.
tugire ngu okuteeka sente omu district eya Rwampara nikyo kitiireho enkyukakyuka ningashi difference kutaanaho na editions ey'okubanza eya kabiri n'eyakasha.
Yes, of course nomanya ngu ekintu kyona abazaani baba biine support nibaba bari motivated baba welfare beboniire so nikyo kyongiire kubongeramu amaani kugira ngu training egume eboniire coordination eruho kandi nteekateeka ngu na hati obutwarwa omu group stages itwe nk'abakanzira foundation tuteeka kumakinga sure ngu tiimu yitu twagyongeramu sente twareeba ngu kyaza Rwampara district.
Okay, ogumwe n'omwe omu ba sponsors ba district eya Rwampara kandi Kanzira Foundation ni bamwe omu batiiremu akasente omu district eya Rwampara. Ni bingi aho twatuneganira nabo konka enshonga ey'obwire of course na weather nembi omu district eya Isingiro. Reka tukwatagane izooba erya nyinkakare program n'ekishaayi ky'ebyemizaano beka muda sports master na Rio Jose tuza kukuheereza bingi ebiraba nebikapa kikopo ekimpaha. Bye bye for now.
Hope you had better luck than us. Did you get the crown? Open it. Man, this better be real. What? Where's the crown?
Grab your popcorn because this season, The Crown is on Pearl Magic Prime. Sundays at 8 p.m.